Just when you think Samsung can't just possibly get better in a field where they already are the best, they prove everyone wrong. The thing on a smartphone where people look at the most is the display, and holy hell, the display on the S21 Ultra is too good. Samsung is the king of display tech, and they're about to prove this by breaking more boundaries with the S21 Ultra's display. The S21 Ultra will have a display unlike any other smartphone out there with 1600 nits of record-breaking brightness. If we compare that to the #1 ranked display smartphone right now, the iPhone 12 Pro Max, the S21 Ultra is rocking 400 more nits of brightness, 3 million to 1 contrast ratio compared to the 2 million to 1 on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Furthermore, the cherry on top will be the 10-bit HDR display for maximum color accuracy, along with Quad HD Plus resolution with 120Hz refresh rate. I can already see S21 Ultra's display setting the best record with the DisplayMate as soon as it comes out. Now, to manage all this power, Samsung has a 5nm efficient chip running the show. On top of that, the display has LTPO refresh rate, which thanks to Android 11, it supports more of these variable refresh rate displays. And since One UI 3.0 is coming out with the S21 family, it's all gonna be super optimized. Now, speaking of One UI 3.0, the animations will be super smooth, completely optimized to work with the 120Hz refresh rate. It already made the current S20 family feel so much smoother, and it's gonna do wonders for the S21 series. Now, we're not done with the display. Apparently, the Galaxy S21 Ultra will set another record, and that is the narrowest, or you can say the thinnest, slimmest chin on any smartphone. According to the CAD information shared by Ice Universe, Samsung has definitely surpassed their chin standard. This is how the press render of a Galaxy S21 Plus could be, and you can see it looks magnificent, and it also shows the pinnacle of standard smartphone design, which makes sense for Samsung to make big moves regarding the Galaxy Z series. Also, we have more rumors on the S Pen situation of the Galaxy S series. So the S21 Ultra will be that phone that will combine the best of S series and the best of Note series thanks to the S Pen support. Unlike the Galaxy Note series, the S Pen won't be built in. You have to have a third-party case in order to have that. On top of that, there might actually be more differences than we thought initially. The S Pen on the S21 Ultra might not offer all the features of S Pen that we have seen on a Note phone. For example, all those cool gestures that we have seen on the Note 20 Ultra. It kind of makes sense because the S Pen, when it's inside the Note 20 Ultra, it charges. But if Samsung offers this as an accessory, it might not have that charging capability because it's not going inside the phone. Perhaps it could be charged wirelessly. That is also a possibility. Again, we'll see if the S Pen is truly the S Pen of the Note series for the S21 Ultra. Now, recently, all 3 Galaxy S21 models were certified online, so you can see the model numbers. That completely confirms that Samsung is planning to launch 3 models, S21, S21 Plus, and S21 Ultra. This is a big sign that the ultimate launch of the S21 series is very near. The official announcement might happen in the late December of this year. Now, last but not the least, One UI 3.0 beta is coming out to more devices, including the 2019 flagships, the Galaxy Note 10 series, and the Galaxy S10 series. Now, what's even more exciting is that the Z Fold 2 and Z Flip is mentioned here, which means that unlike last year, Samsung is taking the Galaxy Z Foldable series seriously when it comes to software updates. One UI 3.0 based Android 11 will come out really soon on both Z Fold 2 and Galaxy Z Flip 5G. So that's all the latest news. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below regarding Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra not getting all the S Pen features. What do you think about the record-breaking 1600 nits brightness? And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.